Hi, this is Tim with Eduware. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and modify existing questions. Right now, I have an exam that I've been working on open, and I'd like to create a new question for it. First thing I'm going to do is click on Create Question. This is going to open our Edit Question suite. From here, you can see that this looks very similar. It looks like a word processor, where you have these simple functions at the top that you're used to, and then you have descriptions here of how exactly you should be adding here. Click here to add edit description, click here to add edit question text, and click here to add edit answers. I'm going to add my question text right now. Okay, I've got the text to my question here. I'm going to fill in the text to my answers just by clicking on these one by one. Click on letter B, click on letter C, and click on letter D. Then to select the correct answer, click the bubble next to the question. Now I have some formatting that I'd like to change with this. For instance, I want the words does not to stand out, because that's an important part of this question. So I'm going to highlight them and select italicize. In addition, I could also choose to bold them. This makes it very clear what type of answer I'm looking for in this question. After I'm happy with the way that my question looks, it's now time for me to classify it. I'm going to leave it as multiple choice, leave it as biology, and then I see that I have a state classification option for New York, which is where I'm currently located. I can click on Unclassified to begin classifying it. This has brought me to a pop-up window where I can decide what type of classification this question falls under. I'm going to do that now. Once I'm done, I can hit close, and that'll show up here on the left. I can also assign thinking skills classification and difficulty classification. After that, I can click on Show Preview to see exactly what this question is going to look like for the students. Once I'm done with the preview, click back, and now I'm ready to save my new question. I'm going to click on Save. It's asked me if I want to continue saving. Yes, I do. And the last step that it's asked me, would I like to add this question to the exam or not include it in the exam? I'm going to go ahead and add it to the exam. Great. Now my exam is loading, and I can preview the question that I just added. Question number 9 reads, locomotion does not increase the animal's opportunity to, and then the letter D is selected as the correct answer. Everything looks great here. So, if I wanted to modify a question, I do it in a very similar manner. Click on the question and click on Edit. This is going to take me back to the Edit Question suite, where I have the ability to add images, add graphs, or do any other typical word processing edits to the question. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, here's the question we just saw in the Edit suite. As you can see, looks very similar to the question we wrote ourselves. So, in conclusion, that's how you create new questions, and that is also how you edit currently existing questions in the Edit Question suite.